Rustic ring cake with cold cuts and cheese. Perfect as an appetizer or hearty snack. Let's prepare it together. In a bowl, add the 2 eggs, cheese and salt and mix well. Pour oil and oregano to the mixture and continue mixing. Combine the ricotta and milk, stirring to prevent lumps from forming. Add the flour and instant baking powder for savory cakes and continue mixing. Dice the salami, mortadella, and cheese, then set aside some cubes for the final decoration. Mix all the ingredients together into the bowl with the dough. Grease and flour the ring cake mold. Pour the dough and level it well. Top it with the cubes of mortadella, salami, and cheese set aside earlier. Bake in a preheated static oven at 180°C for about 35–40 minutes. Check the baking with the toothpick test. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.